Hello foodies, we are back again with an interesting recipe of garlic cheese chili toast. It's a very simple and easy toast recipe that can be made for a quick breakfast and snack. There are many variations of making cheese chili toast, but this one has a prominent garlic flavor. Now let's have a look at the ingredients required to make this recipe. Firstly, we will need 4 slices of sandwich bread, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 small capsicum finely chopped, 4 baby corns finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped, mozzarella cheese grated 1/4 cup, and you can increase the quantity depending on your taste. You can also use half a cup of mozzarella cheese if you want more cheese. Garlic bread seasoning. You can skip this if it is not available. Now let us see how we have to make this, that is the method. Firstly, we will mix the chopped garlic in butter. For this, we need the butter at room temperature. Then, mix the chopped garlic in it. Next, we will spread the garlic butter evenly on bread slices. Then, spread the garlic bread seasoning evenly on the bread, followed by the capsicum. If you do not have garlic bread seasoning, that's okay, we can skip that. After the capsicum, it's time to chop the baby corns. If you do not have baby corn, you can also use the normal corn kernels. Then add some chopped carrots. I have boiled these carrots. If you like them raw, you can add it as it is. Then cover it with grated mozzarella cheese. If you like more, add on more. Then heat a pan and grease it with butter. Place the bread on the pan and cover it with a lid. Let the cheese melt and the bread be crisp. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Then turn off the heat. Our cheese chili garlic toast is ready. We can serve this with tomato sauce or any dip of your choice. Now let's have a look at the tips which are actually very important. To make it spicy, you can add green chilies, chopped green chilies. Ginger can also be added depending on your taste buds. Keep a check when the bread is in the heating process, as it might burn very quickly. Hope you all have liked this recipe, which is very simple, easy and quick to make. If you have liked this recipe, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.